Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little helper with me today. Miss Reagan wanted to help me open my bump box. So if you're here, you probably know by the title that I'm unboxing my bump box. I am 18 weeks pregnant right now, and this is my third bump box. I actually got this like a week or two ago. So I hope the snack in it is still good. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this box and see what we got this time. You ready? You want to open it? Okay. Right here. Wow! Wow! Alright, pull something out. Let me hold it. Okay, the first thing, this is by Provice. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Provice? I don't know.
Look at this.
For all skin types, stretch mark cream. 60 milliliters or 2 fluid ounces. When used as directed, Mommy Balm can help reduce the depth, discoloration, and texture of existing stretch marks. So I've been pregnant. This is my 4th pregnancy. I do have some stretch marks on my breasts and on the side of my bottom. So not from this pregnancy, but from previous pregnancies and breastfeeding. So I am excited to try this. I would love to see if it actually works. How to use this is hypoallergenic, naturally unscented. Reagan's taking everything out. How to use: depress disc to dispense Mommy Balm. Swipe and wipe directly into all affected areas. I know, you got it all out for me.
Yeah.
This says Mommy Balm. It has 0 fragrance.
And spell this.
Just a minute, I'll spell it in a minute. Features the powerful peptide botanical complex Registril plus antioxidants and emollients to help prevent and reduce the appearance of stretch marks.
What's in here?
Yay! This looks really nice. I'm excited about that. Let's see what this one is. Ooh, this is a microfiber hair wrap.
What's in it?
By sleekhair.com. Wear your sleek hair every day. Here, I'll open it. You got it? Okay, so this is just one of those towels. It's like a small towel to dry your hair when you get out of the shower. I actually have 2 of these, not by this brand. But it's always nice to have. But you just put it on like this, and then you just wrap your hair in it. Like so. And then you just pin it. There's a little button here. And you pin it like that, and it helps your hair dry faster. And you don't have to have like a full size towel on your head. It's heavy and uncomfortable. And this one's really soft. This one's softer than the ones that I have.
Let me feel it.
Yeah, we'll have to try that on you. You want to do it?
Yeah.
This one's really nice.
I want to do it now.
We have to. Sorry, my hair is all messed up. The next thing I have in here is just a massager. It's the Apana Eco Massage and Recovery. 100% natural wood from Shima tea trees. Acupressure wheeled massager. Do you want to do this on my back? You drive this little car on Mommy's back, and then I can do yours. Oh, that feels so good. Thank you. I'm pulling out is the Mimosas drink. Fun, alcohol-free drinks for expecting moms. More than 130 non-alcoholic drinks. So this, I could actually really use this because I don't really drink much anyway. Like, I'll have a glass of wine here and there. I'll have a mixed drink here or there when I'm not pregnant or trying. So, yeah, but I do enjoy the mixed drinks, but if they taste anything like alcohol, I'm not drinking it. Like, it has to be so light. So this might come in handy because I'm not a big drinker, so it'll be fun to like make some different drinks though, especially this summer. These all look really good. Like Nanagria. I love sangria, so looks delish. But Mother Goose. I'm excited about that, so I might have to try some of these. The next thing we've got in here is a mask. This is by Timeless Beauty Bar. Soothing and moisturizing face the day sheet mask. Feeling cool, fresh, youthful. Best for the day after. Benefits soothing, reduces redness, hydrating, and restoring. Contains 1 sheet. It is free of artificial dyes, fragrances, parabens, phthalates, silicones, and sulfates. Just a sheet mask, but I love sheet masks. Good job. Show them. Okay, the last thing is the snack. They always put a little snack in here. This is by Vegan Robs. This is probiotic cauliflower puffs. I actually saw this at Kroger when I was grocery shopping the other day. Plant-based, crunchy, good, gluten-free certified, non-GMO. It's got probiotics, certified vegan, and it is kosher. So I've liked all the snacks in my previous bump boxes, so I'm hoping this one's just as good. You can go to veganrobs.com. They have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Yeah, I know I've seen this at Kroger. I'm not sure where else they sell this, but I will try it and see. It has no cholesterol or trans fat, 3 grams of protein, fiber. Yeah, so. And it looks like all the ingredients are organic. So, that's good. That is my bump box for this month. Let's see. I don't know what happened to the little paper that's usually in here that tells you the price of each thing. I'm so sorry. I must have taken it out when I opened it the first time. So, I'm so sorry about that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to get your own bump box, these are great. If you or someone you know is expecting, it's a great gift. And it's a great little treat for the pregnant women in your life each month. You can get like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months. My husband got me the 9 months for Christmas. So I'm going to get all 9 months so you can see everything that I get. But yeah, this is just a nice little treat to get each month. And a great way to try some different things while you're pregnant. But I'm out of breath. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And I will leave my link below if you want to get your own bump box. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you enjoyed this, and hit the notification bell to be updated each time I upload.
And we have 2 lights.
Yeah, we got 2 lamps in this room now. She's all excited about that. Random, you're so happy?
Yeah.
I'm so happy too.